Hello everyone, it's Patty, and today I'm back with another flip through, and this is for my February setup, which I did using the Valentine's Day kit from the Planner Society. The kit is not part of the regular subscription, can be purchased separately on the Planner Society website, and I've used basically everything that was included in the kit to set up the planner. The planner itself is a gorgeous Aura Estelle Scarlet B6 Traveler Notebook. It's called the Perfect Fit Planner, and the color is Raspberry Coulis, which is a nice deep, very rich red, almost like a burgundy, I would say. And it has lots of room for, you know, all your inserts, and plenty of room also for the additional embellishment, which if you follow me, you know that I use a lot of. So let's start on the inside. Let's take a look how I set this baby up. So first of all, these are the pockets. There's plenty of pockets here in the front, which I will be using by adding some stickers or things, little notes that I need for myself. Here on the side, there's lots of actually little pockets, and I wanted to use this sticky note that came in the kit. The kit came with a small one this size and then a bigger one, but I really wanted this one in the front just because it's so cute, and it just I don't know, I love it, and I want it right at the front. And then here I just have a couple of little clips, a little heart, a little old card from Starbucks that says Happy Valentine's Day. And then we're starting with the first insert. As always, I set up my planners with 3 inserts because that's all I use. And the first dashboard is an old acetate from Christy. One side it's got gold and one side it's got silver art. For this particular setup, I wanted to keep the silver, and so I basically have it with the silver showing. And on the side here, I've used the little glitter edgers that came in the kit. They came in the red, in this beautiful red, and then in the soft pink in different sizes. So basically what I've done, as you can tell, I've alternated the size of the edgers. So I had a small edger first so that it would kind of create like a double edger effect when you line them up, because clearly if you have the same size, you know, they kind of, you know, you can't tell them apart. So I had the small edgers on the acetate, and then in the front here I've taken the bow that was wrapped around the little notebook that came, the notepad that came in the kit, and I just did a quick bow. I used a couple of sticky dots to create a little custom bow, and it's so cute. It just works perfectly. So now when you flip it on this side, this is my first insert and first dashboard. So this is the paper that came in the kit. It's got swans on one side, and it's got these beautiful little hearts, and then red edges on the side. And then here is one of the little die cut cards that came with the kit. I love this one. It's got this little scene of your house all decked out in Valentine's Day decor. I layered it over this vellum that I've had in my collection for quite a while. It's got little hearts that are kind of shiny, if you can tell. So I wanted the hearts to show behind it, and I created it in I wanted to do like a Polaroid kind of size. So even if the card, the little die cut is rectangular, I kind of extended it so they will look like a little, you know, Polaroid card. And at the bottom here I put this sticker from Crate Paper, which I've had for a long time, and I layered everything on glitter paper from Hobby Lobby. I love their glitter paper. It's so pretty. It's a little hard to cut, but very pretty. This bow is from Hobby Lobby. They always sell them for Valentine's Day. You can buy a bunch for like $1 or something. They have little bags. And then I have these little hearts, which are kind of like a Swarovski. They're 3D. They're from Michael's from a couple of years back. And then in here I have my first insert. As always, I use inserts from Annieplansprintables. This is my favorite. You know, she has my favorite inserts. This is the dated and timed 3 columns, and I've used some stickers that I've had in my stash for a very long time. These are from Two Little Bees. I have some from the Glam Planner and some other ones, some other companies, but you know, I actually did not buy any specific Valentine's Day stickers. I'm trying to use my stash from previous year, so I'm, you know, just trying to make it work. But these are Annie's inserts, and I'll link her below. And then in the back here, I've used one of the cute little sticker, little sticky, what should we call them, pockets that came in the kit. Put a little bow on it, and then I've used it to store a washi card. This is a washi card that came in a previous kit from Christy, and I've just used the washi that came in this kit on it, and then I use a little die cut there. It's just so pretty. I just love this. I actually have something very similar in my kitchen right now, because I love to decorate for Valentine's Day in my kitchen. Then in the back of the acetate, I have one of the initials that I always use. These are from Michaels. And then here, to transition from one section to the next, I used the other thing that I always use, which is these doilies from Michaels. Now, I don't know if they still sell them. I bought them when they were in a clearance, and this red is just perfect for Valentine's Day. And then second section. The second section starts with a vellum paper, which I cannot remember where I got. It's got little hearts on it. It's I've had it for some time, and again I did the same thing with the layering of the glitter edgers. So small edger on the vellum, and then the bigger edger on basically the dashboard. And on top here I put this heart, which is a wood, kind of little wood chip heart. This came from Target. It was actually part of their Christmas little kind of decor in the dollar spot. And then here I've added one of Christy's stickers. These are kind of 3D stickers. It says beautiful, because I wanted to keep it, you know, black, white, and red. And then here is the dashboard for my second insert. This is beautiful paper that came in the kit. I've had this ribbon for quite some time. It came actually from a friend who gave me a gift. I always keep ribbons. And then here I've added one of the die cuts from the kit. I just embellished it with this 3D heart, a little bow, and then with this little sticker that I've had for some time in my stash, just to add a little bit of a 3D effect. And then here I wanted to show you how I basically attach the bow. Just put some sticky dots in the back there, and that's how you can, you know, use the bow in the front. And for the second insert, I've used this collaboration from Annie and Christy, and this is a little bundle that you can buy on Annie's website. It's got all the papers from Christy's. This is one of the, I think there's like 3 or 4 different designs you can choose from, and they all have this kind of wreath setup. They're not dated. I prefer this one just because I don't know, I wanted this pink, and also I picked this cover, but there's different covers available. And I'm going to be using this just for my workout. Last year when I did a Valentine's Day setup, I did use it for kind of like a health and fitness planner, and this year I didn't want to have one that's specifically for it, but I'm gonna mark down each day which workout I'm doing, and kind of like trying to see how my eating habits are going, just because, you know, after the holidays we all need to get back in shape. At least I do. And so I thought this would be a good way to use the insert. And then in the back, I have another one of the little pockets from the kit, which is cute little hearts. And I put in some of Christy's little word stickers that are included usually in her kits. And then, of course, the little bow, another die cut, which I put on 3D dots so that it pops a little bit. And then this little black sticker from, I think it's like an old Maggie Holmes kit. Now in the back here, I just put this little die cut here because it's so cute. You said you had me a bonjour. That's so adorable. It's too cute. And then the back of the doily and another doily. Now these are just the regular doilies that I doubled up, and then I laminated, and then I've just folded it in two, just because I wanted something. There was way too much red going on, so I wanted something white to kind of break off all this red. And the third section has the washi dashboard, which I always try to make because I love washi dashboards. And this I made using all the washi tapes from Christy, and I have not laminated it. I have actually gotten into the habit of not laminating them because it's just, I don't know, it works out that way, and I haven't had actually too many problems of them falling apart because I use my plan, you know, I change my plan pretty you know, fast. Every month I have a new one. And then on the edge here, I have the pink edgers. And then this is a beautiful decal from Fox and Pip, and it looks so pretty there. It's a perfect red. And then on the third insert, which is always from Annie Plans, I have used this beautiful paper. Something about this paper, this combination is very calming. I don't know what it is. And I used the red edgers, and then I backed up the little card that says love, the little die cut, with this other vellum paper that I also had for a very long time. It's got little soft little dots on it, and then the glitter paper, and then the little hearts that I have just inverted, and I had them all like looking in this time, and then a little bow from Hobby Lobby. Now this insert, it's an insert that is for plant care, and since I have almost managed to kill off of my plants, I thought I pull it back out and try to see if I can salvage them, at least mark when I'm watering these poor plants, but hopefully it will help. And in the back, I have another one of the pockets from the kit with these cute little note cards. These came in the kit. I thought that, you know, you can use them, of course, on your planner as decoration, but I just love to have them as, like, you know, when you're Valentine's Day and people give you little notes and cards, you leave them, you know, you keep them with you. I just thought that I would put them there, and you can just pull them out, and then they have you know, sweet little sayings, and then a little bow, and then the little die cut with the chair with the hearts and the Be Mine pillow. Now this is the back of the washi dashboard, and here in the middle I just put this sticker that it's 3D that I got from Michael's a couple of years back. I just wanted something simple. And then the back of the white doily, and this is something that I did actually last year, a couple of years back. I did this project in which I used this very thick what is it called? It's felt. I cannot think of the name right now, but I have it actually. If you look on, I have a project video about on how to make these, to turn this into a little basically a storage for your stickers, and I use the printable version of the Planner Society goodies, and I just created, you know, this little cover, and then I put some stickers on it, a little bow here, created pockets just using hot glue, and all you need basically is to have this kind of like a stiff felt material. This is very hard, it won't bend, and then I just use more of the little printables that you can get from Christy's Etsy shop, and a couple of buttons, and you know, little ribbon on it, and that's it. So you can use this for all your stickers. Anything you have, you can put it in there. And then in the back here, I've used the little girl from the Planner Society kit again. This is the printable version, so you can print it any size you want, and comes in different hair colors and skin tones. So there's something for everybody, and I just put it here on the back. And on the back of the planner, there's more pockets. I just put a little bow, a little, I've had for a very long time. It was by a store that does no longer exist. And then another one of the little cards. And this was the pen that came in last year's Valentine's Day kit. And this is it, guys. So I hope you liked it. It was a super quick setup, so if you have the kit, you're basically good to go. But let me know if you have any questions, and you can reach out to me at Planning Fancy on Instagram. I will reply to all DMs, and I hope you have a wonderful week.